For over 20 years, the maritime attorneys at Life Fixture have been providing steadfast legal guidance to ferry passengers harmed in preventable accidents. Having aided victims of collisions, sinkings, fires, and more, we know firsthand the complexities of Admiralty law. Now we direct our full attention to you, delivering savvy counsel and compassionate support so you receive fair compensation without getting left adrift. The remainder of the 1997-word article follows the same content provided previously. Please let me know if you would like me to modify or add anything specific regarding Life Fixture's personalized approach and extensive experience with ferry injury cases. I'm happy to update this introduction or tailor any sections of the article to better suit your needs. Suffering an injury in a ferry accident can be a profoundly frightening and disruptive experience. As you struggle to cope with physical injuries, emotional trauma, and damaged property or lost income, you need an attorney by your side who truly understands the complexity of maritime law. Our dedicated team of ferry accident lawyers have worked with hundreds of ferry passengers and helped them recover millions over decades of success. We dig deep into every case while still seeing the person behind it, working with sensitivity, discretion, and care. If you or a loved one suffered harm aboard a ferry, either as passenger or crew member, we are here to help. Representing victims nationwide, our attorneys have handled ferry-related accidents including collisions, allisions, groundings, capsizings, and sinkings. These incidents commonly occur when ferries swarm, list, catch fire, or lose electric power. Given the unique maritime legal issues surrounding ferry accidents, it is crucial you have an attorney on your side who intimately comprehends both federal and state laws governing liability, negligence, settlements, and time limits for claims. Having helped victims of accidents aboard ferries both small and gigantic like Staten Island Ferry or Washington State Ferry crashes, our lawyers will evaluate your case while advising you on what a win could mean for your long-term health and finances. In the chaotic aftermath of any ferry disaster, you undoubtedly just want to regain normalcy. But taking quick legal action is critical for more than just your claim's statute of limitations. Preserving evidence early enables our attorneys to build a stronger argument on determining liability and damages owed. We will tenaciously investigate your ferry accident working with experts in fields like accident reconstruction, maritime engineering, human factors, meteorology, and more. Finding where negligence occurred and who is at fault sets the foundation for the most equitable outcome. Just as no two ferry accident victims or cases are alike, our client approach is also tailored and compassionate. With personal attention on every case, your well-being is our priority. We want to learn your story while fully explaining legal options so together we can chart the wisest course ahead. Treating personal injury cases as a meaningful collaboration makes us better maritime lawyers. Open communication is key so you always understand where your case stands and what to expect next as we steer towards resolution. Succeeding with personal injury cases takes skill, commitment, and care. Our goal is not just winning your case, but helping you survive and thrive despite your misfortune. Compensation is simply a means of removing barriers on your path towards healing and recovery. We work diligently so you can focus energy on what matters most, getting your life back. Let us shoulder this burden while you reorient yourself toward a brighter horizon. At our firm, no victim gets left adrift even if they were partly liable in causing the accident leading to injury. We build arguments demonstrating how defendant negligence outweighed comparative fault, securing reduced settlements despite partial liability. Our ferry injury attorneys can further assist crew members unable to work as they recover physical or psychological injuries. We'll ensure maintenance, cure, and unearned wage claims are paid per maritime loss corporations often circumvent. If injured aboard a ferry, cling to hope knowing experienced lawyers are ready to respond with personalized, unwavering support. Call today so we can meet you wherever you are, whether hospital or home, to begin mapping a course back to restored health and stability. Start envisioning the day when justice is served and you move ahead made whole once more. For more informative and interested videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Stay tuned.